Hello children, welcome to everybody. This is Jayant Tushar of St. Vincent Convent Senior Secondary School, Baleshwar. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of standard 8 and the chapter name is percentage. We will start from the exercise 7b, that is page number 83. You can open that page number 83 children and see that example 10. 5% of the population of a certain town was killed in a bombardment and 7% of the remaining died in panic. If the population of the town is now 44,175, find the population of the town at the beginning before the bombardment. So question it is asked that find the population of the town at the beginning before the bombardment. So answer will start that let the population of the town be X. Population killed in bombardment, population killed in bombardment equal to 5% of total population, that is X, equal to, I can write now that 5% means 5 by 100 into X, that is equal to 5x by 100. Then it is asked that 7% of the remaining died. So we have to find out that now remaining population equal to we can take out the total, it was X minus 5x by 100 equal to LCM, we got that 100 into X, it is 100x minus 5x equal to 95x by 100, it is the remaining population. Then we can find out that population died in panic equal to population died in panic equal to 7% of the remaining, 7% of the remaining, we got that 95x by 100. Children, you can continue also with me also in your copy, then you can understand that better. Equal to 7% means it is 7 by 100 into 95x by 100, and we can reduce also, it is 5, it is 20, it is 19, then it is, we can get now that equal to 133x by, that is 2000. Then again we can find out that remaining population equal to, it was 95x by 100. Now population died in panic equal to minus 133x by 2000. So LCM is coming that, total LCM is coming that it is 2000 100 and 2000, 2000 divided by 100, so we can get now that 20, and 20 into this 95 equal to coming that 1900x minus 2000 cancel, 1 into 33, that is 133x equal to, we are getting that 1767x by 2000. This is the remaining. But question, it is given that according to question ATQ, according to question, 1767x by 2000 equal to, we can get, it is given that in the question it is given that 44,175. So I can write here that, now look at here, implies that, I can write, implies that 1767x equal to, it was 44,175 into, it is coming this side means dividing, means this side coming means it is multiplying, implies that x equal to 44,175 into 2000 whole divided by 1767. We can do also 1767 1 ja, then 5 ja, 44,175 implies that x equal to 5 into 2000, it is 25, sorry, it is 25, cutting means it is 25, it is coming 25 into 2000 equal to, it is coming that now it is 50,000. Therefore total population at the beginning equal to 50,000 population. This is that answer. Next, come to the children, next question, you see that what it is given. Example 11. In an examination, 30% candidates failed in English and 35% failed in mathematics and 27% failed in both the subject. Find the percentage of the total failed and percentage of the total passed and the total number of candidates if 248 passed in both. So children, before going through this example, now I am making you understand that one thing, and you try to understand that if A will be a set and B will be that another set and these two are intersecting each other, suppose A and B, then we can say that this person, we can say that it is A intersection, sorry, it is A intersection B, we can say this person, and totally this person we can say that, look at here, that this person totally we can say that, this person totally we can say that cardinal of A we can say, and totally this person we can say that, totally this math person we can say that it is cardinal of B. And if I will be asking that only cardinal of A, we can say that, look at here, this is only part, this is only part. And if I'll ask that only, this is only A, if I'll ask that only B, so not that intersection part, this is only B part. Then only you can understand that here this example 11. So look at here, that once again go through that, like that you can take that. Let A be the set of, you can write now that let A be the set of English and B be the set of, like that here, A be the set of English and B be the set of mathematics. So what I took, A for English and B for mathematics. So question, according to question, that failed only English. Only English means this is the person, this person is that English person. So you can write now that failed only English. We know that only English it is, how much it is. To find out that only English, first you take out that now both the subjects how many are failed, both the subject, look at here, both the subject it is 27%, and only English means total cardinal of, that is 30% failed in English, total it is 30% and both it is 27. That means cardinal of, we know that only English means equal to cardinal of A minus cardinal of A intersection B. Full minus this intersection part. Full it is given that 30% minus 27% equal to, it is 3%. So you can write now that this is 3%. And only B failed in only mathematics equal to failed only maths equal to, like that you can do also cardinal of B minus cardinal of A intersection B equal to, total it is given that 35% it is, total it is given. So here it is given that total 35%. So 35 minus 27% equal to how much percentage we got? It is 8% now we got. This is 8%. So question number B2I it is given that, it is given that, this question it is given that percentage of total failed. Look at here that percentage of total failed, it will be 3% plus 27% plus 8%. We can write now that total failed equal to total failed equal to 3% plus 8% only mathematics, and both it is 27 this much percentage equal to, it is coming there total 38%. So B2I question what it is given, look at here that total percentage of total failed, we got that now this percentage of total failed equal to 38%. Then total passed, B2I it is given that find out that total passed. So you can find out now that total passed equal to 100 minus 38% equal to total it is coming that 62%. Then question it is asked that with third it is there the total number of candidates, if the total number of candidates if 248 passed in both. Let the total number of candidates with third I, let the total number of candidates be X. So according to question we got that 62% passed. So 62% of X total equal to 248 are passed. Implies that you can write now that 62 by 100 into X equal to 248. I am writing that directly writing, implies that X equal to, it was 248 and this 100 coming this side means it will be multiplying, and 62 it is coming this side means it is dividing by 62. So we can write now that 62 1 ja 62, 62 4 ja, implies that X equal to 400. Therefore number of candidates equal to, therefore number of candidates equal to 400. So children, next come to that example 13. If the price of wheat is increased by 20% today, at what percentage should it be decreased by 120 rupees tomorrow, so as to bring down the price back to the original? Let the original price be, let the original price be rupees X. Sorry, original price be rupees X. Question it is given that increase percentage, you can write now that increase percentage equal to, it is 20%. So we can find out now that formula we can put increased price equal to, previous exercise I had told you that original value formula, I had told you the original value, that is X into 1 plus X by 100, that is 20 by 100, equal to, we know that X into LCM is that 100 plus 20 equal to 120x by 100. This is, and you can cut also this one, this 0 can cancelled, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, equal to rupees 6x by 5, that is increased price. Then question is given that at what percent should it be decreased by 120 tomorrow, so as to bring down the price back to the original. So to bring back, you can write down that to bring back original value should decrease equal to, it is increased value now 6x by 5, what we have got here, it is 6x by 5 we have got, Now 6x by 5 minus this beginning it was this much, and you can write now that rupees equal to LCM is coming that 5, then 6x minus 5x equal to rupees x by 5. This much it is got that. Then question is asked that decrease percentage equal to, we can take out now, decrease percentage equal to decrease value we got that x by 5 whole divided, it is decreased from that x 6x by 5, so we can do that whole divided by 6x by 5 into 100, then bracket close and give percentage sign, equal to, we can write now that x by 5 into 5 by reciprocal 5 by 6x into 100 bracket close, then percentage sign, 5 cancels, x cancel, so it is coming that 2 3 is 6, 250 it is, equal to coming that now 50 by 3 percentage, and value can come that equal to, it is 16 whole 2 by 3 percentage. So how much should be decreased, what percentage must be decreased? 16 whole 2 by 3 percentage should be decreased. Next come to that next example, it is example 14. Look at here, a number decreased by 18 percentage becomes 410. Find the number. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. So decrease percentage, it is given that 18 percentage, you can write now that decrease percentage equal to 18 percentage, and a decreased value equal to we know that original value into 1 minus, not plus, increase it plus, so that's why it is 1 minus 18 by 100, 18 percentage, equal to, it is coming that now x into 100 LCM 100 minus 18 equal to x into 82 by 100 equal to 82x by 100. But question it is given that it becomes 410. So 410 means, according to question we can write now that ATQ 82x by 100 equal to 410, implies that 82x equal to 410 into 100, implies that x equal to 410 into 100 divided by 82. 82 1 ja 82, 82 5 ja, implies that x equal to 500. So therefore original value equal to value equal to 500 answer. Children, then next come to the next example 15. Example 15. Look at here. Two numbers are respectively 10% and 25% more than a third number. What percent is the first of the second number? So in this case, let which number will be taken? Third number, then only we can get that other number. Let the third number be x. Then first number, how much it will be coming? First number equal to how much is the third number, that much, and it is increased the 10%, means 10% of third number it is x, equal to x plus 10% of x means 10x by 100. 10x by 100, it is 0 0 cancel, that means it is 10x plus x equal to 10x plus x divided by 10 equal to 11x by 10. First number. Then second number equal to x plus 25% of, that is third number. 25% it is given there, third number, 25% more than the third number, so of x again equal to, we can write now that x plus 25x by 100, 25 4 ja, 25 1 ja, equal to x plus x by 4 equal to it is coming that it is 4x plus x equal to 5x by 4. That is, we got that second number we got, but question it is asked that first number to second number percentage it is asked. So we can write that percentage of first number, percentage, what it is asked, what percent is the first number of second number, percentage of first number of second number equal to, we can do also, that is first number it is how much it we got, 11x by 10 whole divided by second number it is, we got that it is 5x by 4, 5x by 4, that is percentage making means into 100, then percentage we can do that 11x by 10 into reciprocal 4 by 5x into 100, then bracket close, then percentage sign. We can do that, this 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel, x cancel, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. That means 11 2 ja 22, 2 4 ja, it is 88%. Therefore, the percentage of first number to the second number equal to 88%, children. So children, we finished that all the examples for that exercise 7b. So homework for you that both the exercise continuously is there. So exercise 7b and 7c you will complete, and try to complete that your copy. Don't keep it for pending. Whenever that everything will be okay, we will be asking you that copy to be given. So regularly we will be doing that your homework. Okay, thank you children.